Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best ScoopFree is probably one of the most convenient and hygienic solutions for cat owners seeking to minimize litter box chores, offering an automated system that promises to keep your home smelling fresh and your feline friend happy with minimal effort on your part. Number 5. PetSafe ScoopFree Premium Crystal Cat Litter. Experience superior odor control with our premium crystal litter. Its ultra-absorbent silica dries waste and eliminates odors 5x faster than traditional clay litter. Enjoy a fresher home environment. The silica gel crystals absorb liquid and dry waste rapidly, while added fresh scent crystals provide extra odor protection. This litter is designed for seamless integration with our automatic self-cleaning litter boxes. It's also perfect for refilling any standard litter box or tray. From a brand with US roots and global reach, we offer vet and trainer-recommended solutions. Our goal is to create joyful experiences for your pets. For over 25 years, we've been dedicated to creating safe and innovative products. We enhance pet lives and support the special bond you share with your furry family members. What we like. This litter is designed for superior odor control, drying waste 5x faster than traditional clay. If you're looking for a fresher home and dislike the smell of cat litter, this is a great choice. Its fresh scent crystals provide an extra layer of odor protection for a truly pleasant environment. What people say. The automatic scooping works well and it is very convenient. The odor control is surprisingly effective, keeping the litter box area fresh. The self-cleaning feature significantly reduces the daily chore of scooping. Number 4. PetSafe ScoopFree Self-Cleaning Litter Box Tray Refills. Introducing the ultimate convenience for cat owners. This innovative system is designed to do all the work for you, eliminating the need for scooping, cleaning, or refilling for weeks. Experience a fresher home with our advanced crystal litter. It absorbs urine and dries solid waste, controlling odors 5 times faster than traditional clumping litter. Our disposable trays feature a leak-proof plastic liner. This ensures your floors are protected from any accidental leaks, giving you peace of mind. The 99% dust-free crystal litter minimizes tracking around your home. It's a cleaner and more comfortable solution for both you and your feline friend. We believe your pet deserves the best. That's why we offer a wide range of products designed to keep them happy, healthy, and safe. For over 2 decades, we've been dedicated to creating joyful experiences for pets and their families. Our US-based experts are always ready to assist you. What we like. This option offers a completely hands-off litter box experience, lasting for weeks without scooping. If you are a busy pet parent who wants to minimize litter box chores, this disposable tray system is perfect for you. The leak-proof liner also ensures your floors stay protected. What people say. The automatic cleaning function works well, and it scoops the waste automatically after the cat uses it. The odor control is very effective, keeping the house smelling fresh. The litter box is spacious and comfortable for my cat. Number 3. PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Litter Tray Refills. Introducing the PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Litter Tray Refills. This innovative system takes the hassle out of cat litter maintenance, offering a no-scoop solution for weeks. Experience superior odor control with our premium blue crystals. They absorb urine and dry solid waste, eliminating odors 5 times faster than traditional clumping litter. Our disposable trays feature a plastic liner for complete leak protection. This ensures your floors stay clean and protected from any potential messes. Enjoy a cleaner home with our 99% dust-free crystal litter. It's designed for low tracking, keeping your floors and air free from dust. We believe your pet deserves the best. That's why we've created a litter solution that prioritizes their comfort and your convenience. Since 1998, PetSafe has been dedicated to creating happy, healthy, and safe environments for pets. Trust our expertise for your furry friends' needs. What we like. Enjoy a hassle-free litter routine with this no-scoop, disposable tray system. If you dislike the mess and effort of traditional litter boxes, this product is ideal. Its low-tracking crystals also mean less cleanup around the litter area. What people say. The automatic self-cleaning mechanism works well, scooping waste into a sealed compartment. The odor control is surprisingly effective, keeping the litter box area fresh. The low-tracking litter significantly reduces the amount of litter spread outside the box. Number 2. PetSafe ScoopFree Self-Cleaning Litter Tray Refills. Tired of the daily litter box chore? Our self-cleaning system makes cleanup incredibly easy. Simply remove and discard the tray when needed. One tray can last up to 30 days for a single cat. This means less frequent changes and more time enjoying your feline friend. Designed with your cat's well-being in mind, it's free from perfumes and dyes. This makes it ideal for even the most sensitive kitties. Experience rapid odor removal like never before. The crystal litter absorbs moisture and dries waste, tackling odors 5 times faster than traditional litter. Worry less about messes. The plastic tray lining provides an extra barrier, protecting your floors from any potential leaks. Say goodbye to scattered litter and dust. These low-tracking crystals stay on your cat's paws and are 99% dust-free, keeping your home cleaner. These refills are specifically designed for seamless use with ScoopFree self-cleaning cat litter boxes. Enjoy a perfectly integrated system for your pet. What we like. This litter is formulated without any perfumes or dyes, making it perfect for sensitive cats. If your feline friend has allergies or skin sensitivities, or if you prefer a natural option, this is the one to consider. It still provides excellent odor control and easy disposable tray cleanup. What people say. The automatic scooping works great and it is very quiet. The self-cleaning mechanism is a game changer, significantly reducing the daily chore of litter box maintenance. The enclosed design helps to contain litter scatter and odor effectively. Number 1. PetSafe ScoopFree Complete Reusable Tray. Opt for a more sustainable solution with our reusable litter tray. It offers an eco-friendly alternative to disposable options while effectively managing waste. Experience superior odor elimination thanks to our specially designed crystals. They lock in moisture and keep your home smelling fresh between changes. Make litter box maintenance easier with this lightweight and durable insert. It's designed for low-maintenance handling and simple upkeep. Since 1998, we've been dedicated to creating innovative and safe pet products. Our commitment is to enhance your pet's life and strengthen your bond. This tray is designed to work seamlessly with all ScoopFree complete automatic self-cleaning litter box systems. Enjoy a hassle-free experience. What we like. Opt for a more eco-friendly solution with this reusable litter tray. If you're looking for a sustainable alternative to disposable trays and want to reduce waste, this is an excellent choice. It still provides fast-acting odor control and simplifies your litter routine. What people say. The automatic cleaning function works well, and the odor control is effective. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with home decor. The litter box is also easy to assemble and maintain. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.